Hello and welcome back to another video on the channel. My name is Robert and you're watching Cars Enthusiast channel. Today is about wins and losses. Oh fuck. So today I'm going to talk about W's and L's that every single one of you guys, as well as me, gets them, once in a while, depending on how you approach things. So today I'm going to show you some W's and L's on my part. Stay tuned. So today I woke up thinking about two things. One is that I should check that bad plastic on the outside of the car, because it quite looks bad, because it's quite old, and with the UV from the sun hitting it every day, I should do something about it. And second thing was that I should check out my mass airflow sensor, because it's probably quite dirty after all these years since the car was made. And I'm gonna show you the results now. And I start thinking, can I do a life hack out of this situation? I mean, I don't have anything to lose. So this thought hit me. Like, I went to the store, I bought this shoe cream, black shoe cream, and as you can see, I just lay it down on the surface where the plastic was bad. But to start with, I thought, thoroughly, like, I'm gonna need the shoe cream. I'm gonna need the shoe cream. I'm gonna need a WD-40 to clean up the surface, and a cloth so I can wipe it out afterwards, and just in case I need some baby wipes. And I started working, so I clean it up with WD-40, then I wipe it down with a clean cloth, and afterwards I did use some baby wipes just to be sure, and afterwards I applied the shoe cream, and the result wasn't that satisfying, but it works. I mean, you just have to get too close to look at it so you can see that it's not that smooth. But I will work on that. I just did that for the looks, from distance, because I will brush it down or whatever, just to look smoother. So anyway, in my opinion, that was a small but true W for me. Now let's get to the next phase. What rhymes with video take? That's right, it's coffee break. So I went to the store, bought some mass airflow sensor cleaner spray so I can clean off the dirt away. But I've seen it clean, so I could not do a thing. I've spent the money for nothing by any means. So I took an L for the team, I mean for all of you out there that are watching. I got a propeller on this acapella, so if you like, subscribe and go share. So I prepared myself with a set of screwdrivers and the sensor cleaner spray, and yeah, after I unscrewed it, I found this. Yep, it was very clean, nothing for me to do, so I put it back. So that was the L that I got today. Unfortunately, it's not that big, but it's still a loss, right? But anyway, like I said, it's not that big because I didn't spend too much money on the spray. To do the labor, you've seen it, is not that big of a deal. But you know what, a second W that I've got today because of that L that I took is because now I know my mass airflow sensor is very clean and works perfectly. So there you go. Today's video is done. I mean, I got 2 wins and 1 loss. Anyway, I'm just a DIY guy. I'm doing a lot of things of myself in front of my flat. So if this was helpful for you in any way, or you just enjoyed watching this video, please consider like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.